Hello, I'm in Kuromon Market today and I'm going to take you around and we'll see what we can find. That's what I want. Nice. Wow. I'm going for the tuna. Look at that color, so beautiful. Okay. Can you see the color? How beautiful. Oh, it's slippery. Oh. That's so tender. Flavor. It's amazing. I know these are all presents. You give them as presents. They're wrapped up in bows and in little cozies underneath them. Wow. Goodness, this smells amazing. I can't wait to have a little bite of it. Yeah, you pass it over to my mama. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. It's Wagyu Beef. Oh my goodness. I have to need a moment. This is the most delicious meat I have. So tender. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, while I'm on camera, I will end the video for today. Thanks so much for watching my tour of Kuromon Market Osaka. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Still have a mouthful of meat. Bye.